Okay. Come on. I want to eat this chicken with the chicken, I mean. Yeah. So where did I come from back? Lucky slime. Can I got this? Wait, I can't. Okay. Oh, I got it! Oh no, I didn't. Jellystone, okay. Okay, so where? Okay, so where that come from? Yeah, I said that. Where that come from? Maybe it's on this way. Maybe tester. I want to sneak on testers. Ooh, what's that? Oh, nothing. So let me check now here. So is there anything? What's that? No. Did I see? Did they? Wait, what? Did they? Oh, wait, what? I just see something up there. Ooh, oh no. It's different. The food is different. Oh no. So let me know the comments. What? Where? So is it this one? No, you have to get oh my god. Different ones. The quality guys. Oh no, I mean these. I mean these ones. What I'm showing is the with the carrot thingy. Yeah. So surprised. Okay, so where's the honey? Oh, still, it's just normal. So, did I see any honey birds? Oh, it's this. I thought it's a largo, but it's small. I thought. And honey plants. Okay, now I got a honey plant. Let's see above here. I got an angler slime. What the? These guys are new ones. Okay. So I got one of angler slime. Let's see if there's oh, pink angler gardo. Oh, and more angler slime. Oh, these guys are in the best. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. I'll give that. How are these guys? What? Did he do something? I don't know. More angler slime. Angler slimes, yeah. So best thing, I got an angler slime. More! Oh my god. So I want to be 10 angler slime. It's the best. They look so pretty awesome. I don't know why they can't go. Wait! These guys are anglerfish! But why are not in ocean? What? Why they're not in ocean? Leave a comment. What? I don't think. What's happened? I broke the game. I really broke the game. So now I got an angler slime. Let's go back at home. See? Wait. The bat and the flutter. Yeah. Okay, so now I got the angler slime. Let's see what does happens. Wait, what's here? Ooh, what's that? Is that a Samiel? Oh, it's a rock? Huh? Wait, I'm scared. Whatever. Are these? What are these? Hang on. Jellystone. What are these? Sea hen. These are what? Do not be scared. The car is gone, but you're scared. Did they say gun like the whatever it is? A gun? Yeah, it's like. So let me leave a comment. What should I turn this for? Not you, Eggler. He looks like angry Eggler. Wait, did I say Eggler from a bug snack? Oh, anglers. Okay. So what's that? There is nothing. So let me go back in snack. Why did I say Snacksburg? Why? Oh, treasure pack. Run! Cheerful statue? Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that looks so cool. Regular rock largo. So if it's like maybe see that? What happened on their lights on their head? It looks like they just like see that? I don't know what that is. See? Look at watch this anglerfish. Okay. Look there. Maybe if they eat something, they turn the lights on. Look at that! Oh my goodness! Yeah. What's that? It looks like an apple, but I just okay, so what is going? What is happening on there? See that? It just like it just like explode? Huh? I don't know. So oh, what's that? Oh, stop, Tar. Don't do me, my friend. Did I go in the Angler Island? I think so. What's that? Is that honey? Honey? I don't think so. Starfish. So many anglers come out. So maybe I don't see the flutters. What's that? A hunter. Okay. What? Okay. I don't know what that is. But ooh! How did I get that? Oh no. What? Oh no! My friends! Whoa! I forgot phosphor. What? Phosphor? Phosphor slime. See her. I don't think so cute lang. So honey? Wait. Ouch. Oh, look mo ako yan. So let's go back. See if there are any more. Okay. Woo! Ooh, more. Force. Ooh, what's that? It looks like a purple, but it's pink. It looks like purple. What is going on in the game? I think I'm a little bit broken. Or maybe I really broke it. Did you see? What's that? Oh, it's a original one. Big pass for Largo. So, tatay lock mo yan ah. Kala ko water. Lock mo yan ah. Lock mo yung angler. Hindi, pink. Ayan ah. Minsan, yun oh! Lock mo, okay siya sa land. Right, lock mo. Huh? Lock mo. Let's go back home and go nowhere. Where am I? I need to go back there. That where did I pin? Okay, so I cannot climb there. Or baby here. Oh, I'm just joking. There it is. Now I'm back here. So, wait. Is the orange here? And now, I don't know what happened. I thought this is Slime Rancher mod, but definitely is Slime Rancher 1. Did I say 1? Up there to go oh, where are these? Yeah, I'm not going to throw. What's that? What's the rock slides? So where's the teleporter? I'm finding the locked door have the honey slime face.